Good morning, student. Today we will discuss about e-group. Okay. Let us first understand what is the meaning of e-group. E-group refers to as an online committee where people will share or discuss on a common topic. Okay. They can share their interest, point of view, what they want. Okay. E-group or simply a group can be viewed as a way provide online environment where like-minded individual can come together and discuss their shared information. Okay, as I say, and e-group often has a discussion board. Okay, there is a discussion board. Discussion board have become a popular way for people from all over the world to get to discuss various topics of interest. Okay, and it is very easy as we say that, and here you can just observe the right point or right interest of any persons. Okay, required to that point. Okay, and discussion board is just similar to an email. Okay, where we post anything, our messages, our interest. Okay, इसमें क्या होता है, जैसे हम लोग ईमेल में सेंड करते हैं किसी मैसेज को, वैसे ही डिस्कशन बोर्ड पे भी हम लोग अपने कमेंट्स या अपने इंटरेस्ट या अपने पॉइंट्स ऑफ व्यू को हम लोग सेंड कर सकते हैं. ओके, एनी ग्रुप इज अनदर नेम ऑनलाइन clubbing where you meet people of your taste and likes. E-group is like we can similarly understand it with our friend circle. फ्रेंड सर्किल सबका कैसा कैसा होता है, जिसका इंटरेस्ट अपने सामने वाले से अच्छा बैठेगा उसी के साथ वो फ्रेंडशिप करेगा. सिमिलरली इन ग्रुप ई ग्रुप द पीपल ऑफ हुज टेस्ट एंड लाइक्स आर सिमिलर. They can discuss with the important points and share their interest and point of view, etc. Many portal allows you to create e-group. There are some option of e-group, groups of .yahoo.com, groups.google.com. Okay, this is a group. Now next is feature of e-group. What is the feature of e-group? इट इज लाइक अ सिंपल मैसेज, जिसमें हम लोग क्या करते हैं, इन्फॉर्मेशन को सेंड करते हैं या रिसीव करते हैं, इन विच वी कैन सेंड द इन्फॉर्मेशन और गेट द इन्फॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम अदर पर्सन. ओके, and all these are together known as thread conversation or thread message. In e-group, if you are messaging a topic or a message, this is called thread conversation or thread message. Okay, threaded message. The members of an e-group can post a message on the group discussion board, reply to post, and upload as well as download file from the group. They can upload the file or download the file on that group. Okay, and another person can also be included and they can comment on that post. Okay, benefit of e-group. E-group will connect the people with similar thought and mindset. Major benefit are given here. It keeps us in touch with other member. E-group allows member to exchange message, plan vacations, participate in meeting online or share news with the other member of the group. Okay, जस्ट लाइक आप लोग देखोगे कि आजकल एक मैसेज डालो किसी सोशल साइट पे और वो वायरल हो जाता है. तो कैसे होता है, इतनी जल्दी लोगों को इन्फॉर्मेशन कहाँ मिलता है, ये सारे ग्रुप के कारण ही होता है. फेसबुक भी एक आपका ग्रुप टाइप का ही है, जिसमें आप कोई भी मैसेज डालो और आपके जितने चॉइस हैं, पर्सन मीन्स योर फ्रेंड लिस्ट जितने हैं वही आपके ग्रुप को देखेंगे. अगर उनको वो थॉट ज्यादा अच्छा लगा तो वो उस पर अपना कमेंट करेंगे और नेक्स्ट सेशन में उसको भी वो लोग क्या करेंगे, शेयर करेंगे. सिमिलरली ऑल दिस थिंग्स हैपेंस इन दिस ई ग्रुप. ओके, इट इज अ वेन्यू टू मेक न्यू फ्रेंड्स. Here you can also make a new friend. You may choose to keep your email public or private depending on your preference. Public group let you meet people with the same interest. You may opt to create a fan club, for instance, and meet new friends as they join your group. Okay, when the new member join a group, you can now a friend with you can now a friend of him. Okay, and another benefit are given here, just you can read this. And next is and last topic of this chapter is social networking, because after this topic mobile technology is given here. It is very easy topic, that is why I told you that social networking is the last topic which is taught by me in this online class. Okay, what is the meaning of social networking? So social networking means inter-based social media program to make connection with friend, family, classmate, customer, clients, to publishers, etc. Okay, social networking is the grouping of individual into a specific group. Okay, just like similarly as family, friend, as I say. And although social networking is possible in person, place, especially in universities, high schools, or in workplace, it is most popular online. Okay, it is popular in online, and today we will also use the social networking because we are continuing our class in ऑनलाइन मोड. ओके, दैट इज वाई इट इज कॉल्ड सोशल नेटवर्किंग. ये सिर्फ किसकी वजह से पॉसिबल है? सिर्फ सोशल नेटवर्किंग की वजह से, कि आज हम लोग ऑनलाइन क्लास ले रहे हैं या हम लोग आपको दे रहे हैं. ओके, नहीं तो ऐसे पेंडेमिक सिचुएशन में स्टडी को कंटिन्यू करना विदाउट द हेल्प ऑफ सोशल नेटवर्किंग इज नॉट पॉसिबल. ओके, नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर एनीवन. When it comes to online social networking, websites are commonly used. Okay, it uses a website. These websites are known as social site. Social networking website function like an online community to internet user. Okay, it is like an online community. Okay, social networking site and the definition of social networking site is given here. A social networking site, it is a website that provide a venue for people to share their activities with whom they want. Okay, जिसके साथ वो चाहते हैं उसके साथ वो शेयर कर सकते हैं. एंड द एग्जाम्पल इज फेसबुक, गूगल प्लस, लिंक्डइन, ट्विटर आर सम सोशल साइट. ओके, and in short we can say that social networking site also called social media. इसको क्या बोला जाता है? social media are internet site where people interact freely, share their feelings, share their discussion, and they also make new friends whom they don't know how they are look, how their behavior, उनका behavior कैसा है, कैसे वो दिखते हैं, इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, वो बस फ्रेंड बन जाते हैं. ओके, एंड इन दिस साइट वी कैन शेयर आवर इंफॉर्मेशन इन टेक्स्ट वेज एंड ग्राफिकल वेज. बोथ ऑप्शन आर अवेलेबल. Various social networking. There are various social networking blogs, microblogs, forums, message boards, social networking, wiki, chat room, etc. Here are some popular social sites are given here. Just read this. Okay, and merit and demerit of social networking. There is few merits and few demerits are also given here, and you can just read this. Easier to connect with people. Through social networking we can connect with people overall the world. Okay, पूरे वर्ल्ड के पर्सन से हम लोग कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं with the help of network. Easy to hold discussion and collect opinions. Okay, here you can just post a thing or thought or a news, and you can collect more than lakhs or millions of thought or opinion from the viewers or from the readers. Okay, interactive involvement. It is very interactive involvement through social networking. It provide interactive involvement with other people whom we don't know, okay, उनको जिनको हम लोग जानते नहीं हैं, एंड दे ऑल्सो शेयर देयर ओपिनियन ऑन दिस साइट, ओके. Bring more awareness. It bring more awareness. That means interactive involvement even reaches as far as putting children as teenager, as you are a teenager, and for discussion participating in online and social networking forum for issues that concern them. It help in improving the world awareness, okay. It means that minimum student in your class have a Facebook ID and Insta ID, but you know that before you completing your 18 years or 21 years, you are not allowed to drive a car, because drive a car, drive a vehicle, other vehicle, similar, because you are not matured for that object, okay. आप लोग उसके लिए मेच्योर अभी नहीं हुए, वो स्टेज आप लोगों के लिए नहीं आया अभी. एंड बट आपके क्लास में बहुत सारे अभी भी उस रूल्स को तो फॉलो नहीं करते हैं. सिमिलरली फेसबुक में भी यही रूल होता है कि आप लोग को 18+ ही अपना अकाउंट क्रिएट करे, बनाए, बट ऐसा आज के जनरेशन में देखा नहीं गया है. सब फेक आईडी बनाते हैं, ओके. और ये बहुत ही ज्यादा, इसके कारण क्या होता है, हैकर्स ज्यादा अवेयर हो जाते हैं और वो लोगों को इजीली आईडी वगैरह हैक करना आसान हो जाता है. आपके बारे में, आपकी फैमिली बैकग्राउंड, एवरीथिंग, अबाउट योर फ्रेंड, अबाउट योर फैमिली स्टेटस, एवरीथिंग दे नो इन अ वेरी इजी वे, ओके. एंड देन दे अटैक्ट ऑन योर फैमिली, ओके. Demerit of social networking: misusing the data information posted by innocent user. As I said earlier, okay. Credibility of information: fake profiles, bullying and trolling, peer pressure, irresponsible behavior, attention seeking disorder and addiction, okay. Nowadays maximum students are addicted for the social media. वे लोग पूरी तरह से एडिक्ट हो चुके हैं. किसके लिए? सोशल मीडिया यूज करने के लिए, फेसबुक के लिए, इंस्टा के लिए, फिर उसके बाद क्या हो गया आपका व्हाट्सएप वगैरह, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. इसमें क्या होता है, जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन आप फीड करते हो, जस्ट लाइक सेल्फी विथ माई फादर, सेल्फी विथ माई मदर, एंड व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ योर मदर, यू ऑल्सो feed there. Then the hackers easily know about your family and about your family status, and then they try to hack your father's information or father's account. and इसके बाद जो होता है वो जनरली हम लोगों को न्यूज में सुनने के लिए मिलता है, ओके. Features available on social networking site. The social networking site provides some functionally that called features that help users connect with other users in multiple ways, okay. And what are the ways that are given on the next page? So take out page number 60, okay. Here are given some major feature, okay. User profile, blog engine, photo album, group discussion board, media galleries, activities stream, messaging, walls, comments, tags, etc. are given here, okay. Ethics: what is the ethics in social networking? Social networking bring responsibility with it. As a responsible citizen, one should practice these ethics while connecting via social network. Ethics means science, that is the meaning of science to conduct, or the facility which is conduct, okay. Right perspective: carefully upload the contents picture. You must be aware when you are uploading your picture, about your information, okay. And then utilitarian perspective: one should deliberately keep away from indulging in illegal and unethical activities, just like hacking, okay. And try to steal others information, okay. आजकल जो जनरली होता है. fairness perspective. One should treat every other usual equal and no less in any way. Okay, there should not be any discrimination based on the gender, race, age and other personality traits of a person while interacting with other user online. इसमें क्या होता है कि कोई भी सच नहीं बोलता, ना अपने आइडेंटिटी को लेकर, ना अपने एज को लेकर, ना ही अपने फेयरनेस को लेकर, ना ही अपने जेंडर को लेकर. ओके, दे जस्ट मेक देयर फेक आइडेंटिटी. सो वी हैव टू बी मोर केयरफुल व्हेन वी आर यूजिंग अ सोशल नेटवर्किंग. ओके, हम लोगों को बहुत ज्यादा सावधान रहने की जरूरत है. कॉमन गुड पर्सपेक्टिव. योर एवरी एक्शन मस्ट नॉट हिंडर इन एनी वे द बेटरमेंट ऑफ द सोसाइटी एंड प्रोमोटिंग कॉमन गुड ऑफ द यूजर. ओके, इसमें in this line they try to say that the hackers who will hack your account or who will try to hack your account, they just keep watch on you. okay, वो लगातार आप पे वॉच करते रहते हैं, आपकी एक्टिविटी को देखते हैं, आपके हरकतों को देखते हैं, आप कब क्या क्या कर रहे हो, आपका इंटरेस्ट किस चीज में, एंड देन they took their first step. okay, service provider. Here are some service provider are given here. Just read that and your chapter will finished. okay, because mobile technology is very easy topic, and when you can read this topic you will easily understand it. And of course if you have any doubt then ask me on Trino app. okay, and your chapter 2 is completed. On next day I will give you some important questions, and on next week we will start our first chapter 3rd, HTML first, and this is the last topic which will contain which will included in half yearly exams. okay, so just read the chapter 2 again and try to understand it.